Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together my festive lantern series. These are super fun. Lots of different designs in the shop. I just want to show you here. This will probably be the best one to show you. Like up close how cute this is. So we've got flowers on this one, and you'll notice on the backs of mine I do not have any. If you decide you want to do it all the way around, make sure and cut out all the accessories twice, okay? So every single one has a different design. You can see, here we go, up close. They're gonna roll away. Like this butterfly one has these cute swirls, or this Easter one. And of course you can change out the colors, but I'm using a lot of pastels because it's springtime and I really like pink, clearly. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to put together the llama one. Hold right here. This one could be switched if you didn't want to put anything on it. You could use it for, you know, 4th of July. So we're going to use hot glue for this. The first thing we're going to do is just fold this down. And you can see I've designed score lines in here. And then we're just going to fold this over. And I'm going to put a nice stripe of glue right there. And then fold this over and match it up the best I can. Just like that. You can do that to it and that'll make it a little more bouncy. All right, and then we're going to put the handle on. Just a dot of glue on one side. I'm putting it so that this seam is in the back. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now I'm just gonna do that a little bit. I have got this cute little llama with some cactus. Now, I just want to show you, this is made like all of my, if you've watched any of my videos or you've bought any of my files, you'll know that I do this layering thing. So I have black on the back, a white layer, and then I've got this yellow layer. I'm gonna put him on the side. You can put it in the center if you want, or on the side, whatever you want to do. Mine's going on the side a bit, and actually it's gonna go on this side since he's facing this way, okay? And then I have all these fun little cactuses, and you can do them however you want. I'm gonna glue mine kind of along this edge line right there. So just a little bit of glue on the end of that. And you can see I've given you lots of different sizes just to make it really fun. And if you wanted to, you could use pop dots. I'm not using pop dots on this just because it doesn't really fit what I'm trying to do with it, but pop dots would be really cute. And you guys know I love pop dots. Get one on this side. Just like that. And then I've got these fun little festive, I don't know what you call them, flowery stars, decorative accessories you pick. But I am just going to do that with them and then glue them on. You could put like a pearl or a diamond in the center. You know I love those as well. And then I'm just gonna glue them on. And you can also layer them if you'd like. Don't you think this would be adorable in a Southwestern themed party? I just think these are really cute. Do that one right there. And that's it. Like, how adorable that is. So if you wanted them to match on either side, if you had something where you were hanging them, then you would maybe do the other side. But mine would be just for show and be forward facing, so I just do the one side. Let me just show you really quick. If you want to add pearls, you can see on this one I've added pearls to the center of the flowers. That's a really cute way to do it as well. All right, make sure and subscribe to the channel so that I can show you more tutorials and some fun paper and fabric projects.